Hey y'all, today we are going to be planting some seedlings into the actual garden landscape, not raised beds today. We're also going to be transplanting some snapdragons that are overwintered in the garden bed, but I'm going to be moving those to a raised bed. So it's kind of going to be a mix of moving things around. As always, you know, I can encourage you guys to move things around. If it's not working for you, don't just sit there and dislike it. It's not what gardening is about. Move it. If you don't like it there, move it. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up. And make sure you drop me a comment below. Let me know if you have tried moving something and had a success, or if there's something in your garden that's just driving you crazy and maybe now you're excited to kind of get it moved around. Okay, we're going to be working in this back bed right here. We are going to be moving all of these snapdragons right here. They are yellow POTOMAC snapdragons. They're doing really, really well, but I've kind of gathered all of my snapdragons in one place. So they are going to be going all the way to this raised bed over here, which is already halfway filled with snapdragons all right here. So I'm going to fill in right there in that space. And then I still have some seedlings that are going to go over there eventually too. But I'm going to get those moved over today. Now, once that is moved over, let me scan slowly for you guys. I'm going to be filling that space that I just showed you. So this space over here, I'm going to be filling it with some big leaf chrysanthemums. Really excited about these very tall daisy-like blooms. Really excited to see what they end up looking like. So I'm going to put those towards the back, and then towards the front, I'm going to be working in a variety of Scabiosas into there as well, and potentially some super duper echinacea. I'd like to work that into the space as well. So I will put up photos of the varieties as I'm planting them. I will be adding PLANTONE to each of the plants to make sure that they are very well fertilized when going in their new places. And I'm going to be using my Hori knife to dig up all of these snapdragons. I have just been loving the Hori knife. It is awesome. Best gardening product I could have. Okay, next I'm going to be planting these TONG big leaf chrysanthemums. They get really, really tall, And I'm going to be planting them across the back of this garden. There's a lot going on in this garden, including, let's see, I've got Dara, I've got amaranthus seeds in here that I've reseeded. I've got something that I'm not sure what it is. Let me show you guys what that is. This guy. I don't know what he is. What do y'all think? I pulled a few up from the back because of where I'm going to be planting some of the chrysanthemums. Yeah. And there's daffodils in here. There's some remnants of gladiolis that I pulled up last year. Apparently I missed some. Got a lot of amaranthus coming up here, all those little red seedlings. There's the Dara. It's all looking really, really good. So let me get some of those chrysanthemums tucked in among that in the back area. Okay, so I didn't do as much as I wanted to because I started second guessing myself on where I wanted to put some of the blooms, specifically the echinacea, which I think I'm going to put on the other side, like the side garden of the house. So I think that's going to be a separate project for a separate day. But I am happy to get all those yellow POTOMAC snapdragons moved over, get that, the big hoe, or let's see, the Tong Ho big leaf chrysanthemums planted, and then I also got some of the Scabiosa Fata Morgana Scabiosa planted as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.